So in this video I'm gonna ask the question whether Lewis Hamilton could start a career in MotoGP after retiring from Formula 1. Given the latest developments, where he's been to Qatar for the season opener for the MotoGP season, and given recent news that Yamaha and Monster Energy want to make a seat swap happen between Valentino Rossi and Lewis Hamilton. I wouldn't put it past Lewis Hamilton to make the swap onto a MotoGP bike for at least one season after he retires from Formula 1, just like Valentino Rossi had thought about in 2006, but ultimately he decided that he was in love with motorbike racing too much. But I really do think that Lewis Hamilton could make the transition because of the love he has openly declared to motorbike racing, and he's openly said that he wants to get the chance to test a MotoGP bike as soon as possible. And I want to know from you guys, if that was to happen, how would he get on? And generally, how what do you think about the possible scenario that I've just suggested? Do let me know in the comment section below. Cheers for watching, guys. Help this channel to grow by subscribing, and I'll speak to you later. Bye.